Hey guys, welcome to my channel, CodeZing. In this video I will tell you about how to make your own chatbot within Mins. If you don't have a laptop, don't regret it, because I also don't have. Stay together and let's start our new journey with a phone.
CodeZing, come and play, learn a code in a simple way. Python, Java, all the things. Welcome now to CodeZing. CodeZing, step by step we'll take the ride. Logic power side by side. No more fear, just let it flow. Build your dreams with what you know. CodeZing, where ideas spring. Learn to code and let it sing. Projects shine and skills take wing. Future's bright with CodeZing. CodeZing, where ideas spring. Learn to code and let it sing. Projects shining, skills take wing. Future's bright with CodeZing. From basics up to pro design. Line by line, your stars align. Every day's a chance to grow with CodeZing. Now let's go.